to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix your problem that on Instagram music isn't available. As you see, I open Instagram. After opening it, in this video here is a written Instagram music isn't available in your region. If you are facing this problem, watch my video till end. We have to open Play Store. Here we have to search Instagram. As you see, my Instagram is up to date. If your Instagram isn't updated, first of all update it. Your problem will be solved. If your problem isn't solved yet, open Instagram. After opening it, go on your profile. Click on three-line icon. Open settings. Here you see account, open it. Scroll down. Here you see switch account type, open it. Here you have to switch your account into the personal account. Switch to personal account. After switching your account into personal account, your problem will be solved and your music is available in all videos. If your problem is not solved yet, you have to again open your profile. Click on three lines. Open plus icon on your Instagram to upload a story. Click on story. Here you have to add some picture. I am adding this picture. After adding some picture, you have to click on 3-star icon. Here you see there is no music icon in this list. You have to take a screenshot of it. Open your profile. Click on 3-line icon. Open settings. Click on help. After that you have to click on report a problem. Here you have to click on gallery. Here we have to click on our screenshot we have taken. Now you have to explain which problem you are facing. I am writing. Click on submit. After submitting it, you will receive your recovery password on your email. If my video is helpful, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.